Carla Costa. I'm the founder and broker of Birds Realty. Birds Realty is a full-service brokerage here in Houston, Texas. I have been in business for about 12 years with a lot of experience in selling, buying, renting, and doing investment in real estate. Managing about 500 properties in Houston and surround areas. I have the opportunity to get to know different neighborhoods, different communities, and understand the market really well.
I've known Carla for about five years, and she's an amazing person. She's beautiful, she's kind, she's sweet, she's a very giving, generous person.
She has a passion for making sure that her clients find that special home that is just right for them.
Highly recommend working with her. She's very reliable, fun to work with, and I'm looking forward in the near future to doing many more deals with her.
I also have a background in communications and I speak 3 languages, so it's very easy for me to understand international people, and being from Brazil and moving over here by myself, I totally get what people feel when they're relocating, when they're moving to different places, especially when they don't know. So that's another thing that I make sure our company offer you. I'd like to invite you to work with Birds Realty. Come to talk to us. Give us a call or send an email or a text message. Feel free to contact us from our social media and ask any questions. I'll be more than glad to help you.